got a full day today, so this is going to be the second or the third one in the day in my life as a plumber. I think I've got a few services. I'll talk as I go along, but the first one I'm going to now is a replacement thermostat. So we've got a wireless room thermostat, a Salus one, and that needs to be changed to a Honeywell. So we're on our way to do that, and then I've got various other things, so I'll catch you in a bit. I'll try and do as much as I can filming wise, and we'll see what we'll get up to. Let's go to work.
He's one of the senior SDMs there.
Okay, so that was super easy. I literally ran in there with the unit, ran back out after it was fitted, so it took me 15 minutes, something like that, and now I'm on my way to the next one. It's got high pressure and we're off to a service, so I'll catch you on the next bit.
Callout service, you got these?
They use the old lime mortar.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. The lime's gone.
Oh, okay.
Right. So all it is sand.
Right.
Between the bricks. Right. Yeah.
Second one of the day. Let's have a look.
High pressure, as you saw, and just had to release the pressure on it and did the service. Another Valent boiler service, so that's also got a Magna Clean on it, so we're going to go and do that. A couple of calls to make on the way. God only knows what else the day will throw at me. I've just got to pick up some spares for a video I want to make for the channel. I keep it as a spare. Where's the emission when you need it? Next one, which is a tap repair.
Take this out. Have a quick look. See what's going on. I'm using these Nipex parallels because they don't crunch up the chrome. washer's come off the end there, so that's the problem there. There it is. So let's just pull it out like this. There it is. So that's deformed. You can see there. So standard 1/2 inch. Pop that on the end. Job done. Back on. Screw that in.
Straightforward, but a hell of a drive. I didn't realise it was in Kingston, which is quite away from me. A landlord certificate and check all sorts of bits and pieces on a Megaflow and a service on a Ideal ICOS. Not everyone's favourite boiler. So see you in the next bit.
So this is what to expect when you come to a flue hatch. It's that one. Yeah. And there'll be several others. In this case, we're looking for this. And we're looking to inspect down here, check these seals, and then check up here. And you can see visibly there, no issues, no damp patches, no rust. So these should be installed for landlord properties. That's it. Direct tiles coming out of there. Check this one first. This one seems fine. Check this one. There you go. So this is the one. Here's a quick tip for you. Got to drain one of these. Got one of these. Put that on there. You can do something else. Right, course. Clearly something going on there. That's always. Whoever fitted it, no idea that. Last year when I came here, that collar was broken, so I put in a new one, and that seems to have settled down nicely. I'm going to give this a little service. Baxi Combi, very tidy indeed. This is a pre-condensing one. This is a twin flue system, so the idea is the fresh air comes down that one into the casing, emissions go up through there. This would be like a collector for any humidity and water. It's not this one, that's the broom. It's the one behind it. And somebody's made a little trap there. It's tight. It's no wonder I got tennis elbow. That's back in. Which day? Through there.
2 in the morning, I've just had a call, emergency, somebody's got water coming through their ceilings, can't even swear anymore. I've got to jump out of bed, put some shit on and then go to this. I don't know if I'm going to film or not because I'm not taking all the GoPro shit, so I'll do what I can with the phone, but this is the reality. You get so many of these calls. Anyway, I'm going to dash off and I'll probably do another clip tomorrow morning or in the daytime.
Yep, that's where the leak is. And now we can see a bit further. Hopefully we'll be able to see the other bit. Okay, so remove that bit of the brickwork, and that's what you're faced with. So you've got one pipe here. This one here has come completely out of the other fitting, so not great. Taking the filling out, that looks pretty normal at that end, just a normal compression. But then at this end, looks like a dog's dinner. The whole piece is just coming out there.
That job was, as I say, it was an emergency call out, middle of the night. The tenant had come in from her shift, emptied the bath, made her way downstairs to find that the whole of the kitchen was water coming through the ceiling, as you saw, and all flooded. She mopped it up, called the landlord, and the landlord called me. Bath waste, as you saw, the compression fitting had collapsed, like a dog had been in there and bitten out the inside of it. I thought it may be one shot or something like that had degraded it. It was all underneath the bath, so 2 in the morning, I'm removing the bath panel, and then, as you saw, goes into an extension. So I had to see till I removed that section of that breeze block and that. So I went outside, removed some roof tiles, and did all of that good stuff at 2 in the bloody morning. By the time I'd finished, it was an hour and a half in, and that's the reality. You get handsomely rewarded because you've resolved the issue. But the point that I'm trying to make is that you do get these random calls if you're doing plumbing work and boiler repairs. I've even got clients that they work around the clock, so they will call me wanting me to do work at 12, 10, 11 o'clock at night, because that's the only time that they're in, and they'll pay a premium for it because their shift work needs to fit in with mine, and vice versa. Chopped out that breeze block, yes, in the middle of the night. I'm sure the neighbours appreciated that, but did it as quiet as I could with a power saw and stuff. So got it resolved, and that's it. I like to try my best to do one-shot call-outs. So I go in there, do the call, and that's it. I don't have to go back there. I just wanted to say thanks to everyone for subscribing, and thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you enjoy the content. So see you on the next one. I'm trying my best to do one video a week, but I have a sneaky feeling at some stage I'm going to probably pull back to one every 10 days, or I'll try my best to keep it at one a week for a little while until we see what happens. But I hope any comments on that or questions, put them below. But thanks for watching.